Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Pair Products. You're probably wondering why I've gathered you guys here today. And that is to present our first ever Pair product.
Woo!
This is an Etch-a-Sketch. You're probably asking yourself why there's an Etch-a-Sketch on the screen. It's a very difficult kid's toy that produces images drawn by a user by hand, which can often be very hard, which is why our team has produced the Me Etch-a-Sketch. Me Etch-a-Sketch is a 100% autonomous system by which any user can create an image accurately as requested. We believe our product is efficient enough in all of these categories in order to succeed in today's market. It can draw quickly, it is repeatable, it draws accurate images, it is very user-friendly, and most of all, it is also durable for multiple trials. Our team then came up with 3 categories that we needed to be successful in order to come to this final product: teamwork, brainstorming, and planning. We will now talk to one of our executives here at Pair Products to find out more about this.
Hi, my name is Jukin Yu. I'm one of the team member of Team5.6. So our team consists of 3 members. We are all mechanical engineering majors. I'm mainly in charge of coding and coordinating tasks and host meetings, while Matt focused on presentations and being the lead writer for our team. And Connor Quiggles is mainly in charge of designing and 3D modeling. In order to work well together, we really focus and practice active listening during all of our meeting and to really enforce the circle of trust during our working process. Of course, we encounter problems during our design process. Coding is actually one of the biggest issues that we encountered, since all of us didn't really have much prior experience in coding. We really tried our best to do our own research online using MATLAB Central and YouTube tutorials in order to improve our code. At the same time, we also seek help from our professors during the office hour. I'm really proud of our team that we're able to actually work towards our goals. This is definitely a challenging time for anyone to work together as a team, but for our team, we really adjust our schedule for each other, at the same time ensure a good communication. For our group tasks, we actually break down tasks according to each other's strengths and weaknesses. Another thing that our team did was we actually set a team deadline before the class deadline to really ensure that we're able to submit everything on time. We also utilize in-person and Zoom reviews to critique each other's writing and progress. One of the things we did was a grammar review. We really listened to each other's comments and make adjustments to our writing portion to ensure a good quality.
Our product was created because of our team's planning and brainstorming. Using a Gantt chart and constant communication, we were able to meet deadlines and efficiently use our time to come up with ideas, with techniques such as the functional decomposition of our code. The Etch-a-Sketch itself is a simple physical design with a code that instructs the physical design on how to draw an image. Stepper motors connect to the drawing shafts and receive the code from the computer and power from a 12-volt power supply. The code that the Etch-a-Sketch receives is what makes this design special. This code was developed using MATLAB. Our MATLAB code works by bringing in an image and converting it to a matrix. This matrix is then broken down into directional averages so that the drawing path will work its way vertically up the Etch-a-Sketch in small horizontal sections to create dark and light. This way of coding gives us the capability to draw any image that is uploaded to the device. Creating an image that was clear to the viewer took multiple prototypes with adjustments made to the code multiple times. The first prototype resulted in the wrong orientation due to our wires being switched. Our other earlier prototypes had poor contrast, so the engineers at Pair Products had to continuously experiment with pixel sizes. After multiple tests and adjusting the MATLAB code, our team was able to produce images with great color contrast. Our code also incorporates a graphical user interface that makes using the Me Etch-a-Sketch extremely easy. The graphical user interface is what the user will see when working with the Me Etch-a-Sketch. The best aspect of this interface is that it allows for the user to upload an image, adjust the size, adjust the pixel size, which determines the contrast of the image as well. Then, it even allows the user to see a preview of the drawing before giving the option to send the command to the motors, thus producing the drawing.
Thank you for coming to our presentation today. For those of you at home wondering, we plan to have Me Etch-a-Sketch on store shelves by the holiday season. Thank you, and we hope to see you again.